out here. We do a little rain bash. I am with the return of the Bash King, the Team Redcat BE6S. I've got a 15-tooth Tekno Mod 1 Pinion in there with the BLX 2050 kV motor. So that's up one tooth than I normally run. Usually I run a 14-tooth Pinion. Now, I also did upgrade the spur gear. I'm running a 45-tooth spur gear on the BE6S. Factory stock is 47. So it's definitely, it comes like the gearing ratio ends up being a 3-to-1. 45-tooth spur, 15-tooth Pinion, 3-to-1. So, hey guys, one other thing I'm testing today is I bought these 8,000 milliamp 100C discharge LiPo batteries. They're hard case LiPos. They're kind of a generic brand called Z-E-E. It's like 3 E's, Z batteries. I got them off Amazon. I had like a coupon or something on Amazon, so I used it. I think they were like, I don't know, 125 bucks or somewhere in there. But again, they're 8,000 milliamps. And the cool thing about them is they're fairly lightweight and kind of small-ish compared to other LiPos of that size. Normally, I've seen LiPos that are like 7,000 milliamps or 6,000 milliamps and up. Hard case LiPos, usually they're like over 17 ounces. They're like 17.57, 17.6. They're getting pretty heavy. These, again, they're 8,000 milliamps and they are 16.5 ounces. So not a huge difference, but you know, every little bit counts. Also, I was here yesterday and I recorded some footage test driving both the BE6S and the Creighton. And there's a little button on the side of my camera that why it's there, I have no idea, but basically it mutes the footage. And there's no way to like digitally unmute it when I'm editing or something. So all the video I took yesterday has no sound. I was super bummed, but I'm gonna throw some of that footage in this video. I'll throw some music over it or something. But anyway, just wanted to let you know what was up. Thanks for watching, guys. Cheers. New construction spot, guys. Oh my gosh, you know what occurred to me just now, guys? My tires are not vented. So that sucks. I'm gonna have to vent these bad boys when I get home. I just normally don't drive when it's wet or in mud. That was crazy, guys. I probably could have pulled a double out of that. Love it. I got my one headlight, guys. My one headlight's working. It's like the auxiliary headlight too, I think. Hell yeah. Whoa! Gnarly wing landing, guys. That was gnarly. Oh man, I had to get out of the way for that. I was trying to get really good footage. I almost killed myself just there, guys. I had to take a bow. Some cartwheels, good lord. Now see, I almost don't want to say this so I don't jinx myself, but a lot of times, guys, what you don't see is that I have a lot of those crazy crashes where, with the BE6S, where it's cartwheeling for days and it's bouncing and cartwheeling and flipping end over end, and it's just fine. I keep going. Now eventually, yeah, I'm going to break stuff, but I'm on pins and needles when that kind of stuff happens with the Creighton because it seems to break more easily. So when I talk a little bit about, like in the last video, I was really frustrated with the Creighton, with the breakage I was getting, and I guess it's because in a way I'm doing you guys a disservice because I edit my videos and I leave in a lot of crashes and stuff, but just for the sake of the viewer, you know, if I left in all the footage, you guys would be bored. You know, I don't know. My point is, the BE6S is super stout. And I've had way more crashes, gnarly crashes with the BE6S, and it seems to be fine, than with the Creighton. But I absolutely love the Creighton's performance, so I'll take it. You know, I'm willing to live with a little bit of the breakage just because when it does work, it's such a joy to drive. Whoa. That was nice. That was nice for me. What's up, Rich Duper Bash? Give me a little shout out, kind of just messing with you. I know that was nothing for you, bro, but for me, that was pretty junk. Boom. Love it. In case you guys haven't seen Rich Duper Bash's channel, check him out. Rich Duper Bash on YouTube. That guy gets sick air. Oh, that was almost perfect. Yeah, he gets really awesome, huge, floaty airs. Usually with Arrma products. Yeah, like BMX tracks and such. Really cool stuff. Oh, I missed the trigger, but it's okay. I tried to hit the brake a little bit and I missed it. I'll tell you what, guys, these 100C 8,000 milliamp batteries, I kind of messed up. I should be timing my run, and I'm not, and so I'm just going by seat of the pants feel as far as duration, time duration. But right now, for being probably a tiny bit heavier than I'm used to, they feel good. And the 100C punch is nice. I'm digging it. I love the BE6S, guys. It's so fun. And you know, I've never done these big lofty jumps like this with it. It's actually really controllable in the air. Now I am running, remember, I'm running that low center of gravity suspension setup. I mean, that's just easy. Once you get the timing of it. Try it again. So fun, so nice. It's so wet, I love it. It's like, I thought I was gonna get super muddy today. Here comes a car. Oh no, there we go. I was able to get out of the way of that one. Oh. 15 tooth with the 45 tooth spur. Feels great. And this BLX motor. That was nice. That was sick. Kind of nose darted it a little bit. Oh, that wing, guys. Good Lord. Nice. Nice. That was huge air. There we go. Alright guys, that'll do it. These batteries are awesome. I feel like I've got tons of runtime left in them, but I just looked at my camera battery and it looks like I'm about to run out of power soon. So I'm gonna call it a day, call it a run. I had a blast. This is my new favorite bash site. These jumps are awesome. At least this dirt mount I'm on right now. I'm sure it'll change in a week or two, but for now I love it. The BE6S handled like a dream. What can I say? I mean, that 15-tooth pinion with the 45-tooth spur and the Arrma 2050 kV motor combo. Hobby wing heatsink is awesome. It's just, I love it. It's a good combo. Batteries are punchy. They perform well. Tons of runtime. I haven't changed them once. It's crazy. And they're not that heavy. So I need to do more testing, but love it. That's it, guys. Stay tuned next episode when I get that Arrma Creighton back out on the road. We'll drive that. Cheers. Thanks for watching.